Good morning, it's me Jimmy. So here the wireless shutter remote. Now let me do the unboxing of it. So here's the wireless shutter remote. Let me just open and show you. So this is for the Panasonic S5. Okay, let me just show you. So this one you put the AA battery here and you connect with, I think it will be the TRS connection here, and this one will go to your remote such as Panasonic S5, the TRS, the 3 one, and this one you put the battery. Let me put the battery inside of this one. Such as, let me just open it, and here we go. So I will be making a video using with my Panasonic S5. I will be putting the link in the card. So for around 39 or 40 US dollar, this is what you get. Nothing special. It was me, Jimmy a Geek. And then you also get this cable. I have no idea what is this for. Maybe this one is for Olympus. I have no idea. Normally you can use the shutter remote with this one only. You don't have to use the wireless remote. Even you know the remote. As you can see, it's working. So it was me, Jimmy a Geek. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.